Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have these boxes from QVC. This is from TILI. Try it, love it. Whoops, I got that one backwards. Try it, love it. This one I've already shown in part one of this little series, part one and part two. We're going to show part two. So I'll put this video below if you'd like to see what's in this box. This is the Customer Choice Beauty Award box. And this one is the Discover Beauty Girls Night In, and this box cost me $25. And with QVC, the shipping was $10.72, so that is $5.36 per box. So sometimes you get free shipping. It depends on what you're buying at QVC. I had a $10 off coupon, which I forgot to mention in the first video. So that's what prompted me to go shopping, because I hadn't been shopping in a little while. So, and I do love the TILI boxes. Try it, love it. And so does Katie's Corner of the World. I'll put her below. She shows boxes from them sometimes. And she showed, I think she had their advent calendar also. So go check out her channel if you don't know her. I'll put her below. She's a good friend of mine. So this box is valued at $124.32. Now on the other box, I knew what each item was valued at, but on this box, I don't know what each item is valued at. So this says, treat yourself to an evening of pampering with this Girls Night In Favorites 8-piece collection, including picks from Peter Thomas Roth, Sunday Riley, Malie, Lawless Beauty, Bloom Effects, LMS, It Cosmetics, RMS Beauty, and Super Smile. And this is all from QVC Beauty. So this is the pretty box it's in. These used to be different boxes, so they've changed things up a little bit. So when you open it, they do use some nice stuffing. This keeps things from breaking. So there's a quick pick in there, or a quick peek in there. Okay, let's see. All right, we have this from RMS Beauty. This is just a card, but it has 3 different lippies on it. Okay, this looks like it says Light Lips Cream Lip Gloss. Hydrate, volumize, and shine. And this one is bare. So it looks orange, but it'll go on clear. Bisou, that's beautiful. And Rhythm, I love these colors. Really pretty colors. All right, so that's a little sample size. So you'll open this card and, be able to pop that out and try it out. And let's see what else we got in here. It said there were 8 pieces. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See, and then there's tissue in the bottom, so things don't get broken, which is very nice. Okay, so I see this looks full size. This is by the brand Malie, and it says Preach Peach. Number 2391. Let's see what that looks like. It sounds to me like it's a blush, right? There is a mirror on one side, and then I don't know, is that a blush? Let's see if it says on it says Illuminating Powder Blush. Okay, illuminating powder. So, all right. That is a pretty little compact. Malie, M-A-L-L-Y. And then we have this little, I've used this before. This is nice. The Royal Tulip Nectar. This is the Bloom Effects brand. This is 0.17 ounce. And this is a moisturizing nectar. All right, maybe this is, I had something in this brand that was a mud that was pretty popular there for a while. We used to get it in boxes all the time. This says apply a thin layer directly onto your face, massaging until the rich nectar sinks into your skin. So that is a moisturizer. Whoops. Anyway, it's sealed, of course. Of course it's sealed. That's good. It's good it's sealed. But that's a nice little thing to have. Nice. I like these little things sometimes just to carry with, so when you're out and about and you need a little extra help, you can get it. Then we have Peter Thomas Roth. This is it's 0.17 ounce, and it is the Water Drench Glow Serum. So Peter Thomas Roth is a great skincare brand. Hyaluronic Glow Serum. I'm excited to try this. Directions: to help plump the look of your dry skin with intense moisture, apply glow serum twice daily onto face and neck with continued use. Okay, let's see how that does. I love that kind of pump. It's just easy. It comes out just a little at a time, so you can really, control what you use instead of the whole container spilling out on you, which has happened to me before on different kinds of products. Then we have this Super Smile. I've tried some whitening things and they just don't ever seem to do any good for me. So, but this says it's a professional whitening system. Let's see if it's on here for me to read about it. Super Smile Professional Whitening System with 0.21 ounce whitening toothpaste and 0.21 ounce whitening accelerator. So it says whitening system number 1. Okay, so there's 2 tubes in there. I think I've had this before, maybe from Fab Fit Fun, or maybe bigger sizes. The whitening toothpaste, y'all, it's filled to right here. That is all that's in there. Right to there. That's it. This one, I can't tell when it's filled, so maybe this one is full. This is the Whitening Accelerator, so I'd have to read about what you do. And maybe you just need to use a little bit. But see, when you use a sample, unless, you can see if you like it or not, but it's not going to change my teeth, like for the, forever. So, anyway, whoops. Then we have this from Lawless. This is, let me find it on here. A beauty filler definer liner in 0.3 ounce. So while it says forget the filler defining liner, in pink sand. Let's see what that looks like. So that's a lip liner, right? I would think by the color. It's very nicely packaged to the point where I can't get it open. I can't get that open. Where are my tweezers? I do have tweezers here somewhere. I know, I just saw the tweezers. There's one. There's one. Okay, let's see. Because I need to pinch the cardboard. See how that is in there? Okay. Oh yeah, it's that. All right, forget the filler, definer liner. Ultra pigmented, creamy, smooth glide. So that's a very nice looking lip liner. And it's a pencil that you sharpen. I have so many lip liners that I hardly use, so I'm not going to use it. But that's a full size. And then we have Sunday Riley. This is a lovely little, this is 0.27 fluid ounces, Sunday Riley CEO serum. A lovely little deluxe sample. Love that kind of pump. This will give you plenty to try and see if you like it. And I know I like it because I've had it before. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And then the last item is this RMS product. And this is Frangipani Minoy Shower Cream. I have never had a shower cream from RMS at all. I've only ever had face products. I don't think I've ever had any body products at all. 1.6 fluid ounces, 50 mLs, luxurious shower cream. Let's see, of course it'll be sealed. Yeah, of course it's sealed. I want to smell it. I bet it smells wonderful too. So envelope your body daily with this truly luxurious cream wash. Massage over wet skin and rinse off. Okay, so this was a really nice one also, $25 with a little over $5 shipping. We have the Super Smile sample. We have the Malie blush, the Royal Tulip little moisturizer, and the Peter Thomas Roth hyaluronic serum. We have the Lawless lip liner, the Sunday Riley CEO, which I just love, and the RMS Frangipani shower gel. Is that everything? 3, 6, 7. Oh, and the lip. Where's the lip stuff? Did I put it back in the box? How do I lose things? How is it possible? Here, it's right in front of me. That's how I lose things. And then this lip sample from RMS Beauty. So that was really a good box. I thought it was well worth $25. When you think about what we get in the Ipsy Glam bag for $15, this is nice. So go check out QVC and see if you like any of their TILI boxes. TILI, which is try it, love it. Take care, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.